Your brain is the strangest object in the known universe. 3 pounds of tissue that can imagine entire galaxies, yet it gets some of the simplest things bizarrely wrong. Here are 8 facts about your own mind that sound completely fake, but every single one is 100% real. Fact 1. For decades, textbooks said your brain holds 100 billion neurons. Then a neuroscientist named Susanna Herculano-Hausel went looking for the source of that number, and found that nobody could actually cite one. So she dissolved brains into a kind of soup and counted directly. The real answer? About 86 billion. 14 billion neurons, quietly erased by better math. Fact 2. Your brain feels no pain. It processes every ache in your body, yet it has no pain receptors of its own. That is why surgeons can open your skull and operate while you are wide awake, talking, even singing, cutting into the very organ holding the conversation. Fact 3. You physically cannot tickle yourself. The instant you try, your cerebellum predicts the sensation and cancels it out, using an internal signal called an efference copy. Scientists proved it with a robot that added a tiny delay to the touch. Break the prediction by a fraction of a second, and suddenly you can tickle yourself after all. Fact 4. In one of psychology's most famous experiments, people watched a video and counted basketball passes. Halfway through, a person in a full gorilla suit walked into frame, beat their chest, and strolled off. Nearly half the viewers never saw it. Focus hard enough on one thing, and your brain will make a gorilla invisible. Fact 5. There is a hard limit to how many people you can truly know. Anthropologist Robin Dunbar linked brain size to social group size and landed on a number, about 150. Beyond that, your mind can't keep track of who is who. It shows up everywhere, in ancient villages, in military units, even in people's holiday card lists. Fact 6. That stab of pain from eating ice cream too fast has a real medical name, sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. Cold hits the roof of your mouth, blood vessels rapidly narrow and then swell, and your brain misreads the signal as pain coming from your forehead. Your mouth is cold, but your brain blames your face. Fact 7. You don't just hear with your ears, you hear with your eyes. In the McGurk effect, a sound like ba is played over a video of lips saying ga. Your brain refuses to pick one and fuses them into a third sound entirely, da. Even when you know the trick, you cannot unhear it. Your eyes are quietly editing what you hear. Fact 8. Your brain is the most powerful computer on Earth, and it runs on almost nothing. It is about 2% of your body weight but burns 20% of your energy, roughly 20 watts. That is less power than a dim light bulb. Everything you have ever thought, dreamed, or feared runs on the electricity of a night light. 8 facts, one strange and brilliant machine, the one you are using right now. Which one broke your brain the most? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe to mindrush for more facts that sound fake but are 100% real.